guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are having a great week. Now today I am super excited because I've been wanting to talk about this product for a while. I'm pretty sure you guys can see it from the title. We're going to be talking about Mamonde's Blue Chamomile Soothing Repair Cream. Now this is one of the latest launches from Mamonde. I don't think I have spoken anything about the brand on this YouTube channel. I've spoken a lot about it on the website, but I haven't spoken about it here, so I wanted to rectify that, and also partly because this product is so extremely good. But first, you guys, as always, before we begin this video, if you do like talking about beauty or you like me talking about beauty, then please do click on that subscribe button and join the little family because I do post videos every week. So with that being said, let's jump right into this video. Now this product launched a little over a month ago, and if you guys are struggling with sensitive skin or dry skin like I do, you are going to absolutely love this, because this product is generally for troubled and sensitive skin, and it also says that it has 5 skin tests completed. So what it actually targets is the main 3, which is the redness relief, skin dryness relief, and overall satisfaction at 100%. Now I have tried this product for over a month, and I have to say that it really truly works. And this is right up my alley, so much so that I actually went out and bought another one. So first off, let's talk about the packaging. The packaging comes in this cute little squeezy tube. You have about 50 ml worth of product inside, which is about 1.69 fluid ounce. And what its description states is that the soothing cream helps to strengthen the skin's moisture barrier and relieves sudden signs of redness from external factors. Now there's something about the way the packaging was designed that the texture and the formulation remains very cooling inside, and also the applicator for this is super hygienic as well. It comes in this little squeeze out tube, which is really nice, and also if you want certain targeted areas that you want to have this formulation on, you can always apply it, and then you can basically dab and massage it into the areas that you want to focus on. Now the formulation for this is a cream gel-like texture, which is surprisingly quite lightweight on the skin, but like all products, you guys, you don't want to go too ham on this because it might feel a little bit weighty on the skin. But one thing that I do want to mention about this is that when you apply this on the face, it somehow cools the skin temperature down. There's something really special about this product that does that, but when you apply it on, it feels so soothing and cooling. It's just one of the best feelings in the world, and that is one of the main attractions for me personally, because I absolutely love how it feels on the skin. Like, you know, with some cream formulation products, it tends to be a little bit sticky, or it leaves like a film or veil, and you feel like there's always going to be something there. But with this one, like, the texture just absorbs immediately into the skin, and it's so lightweight to a point that you don't feel it on your skin. So that's with regards to the formulation. Now as for the effects, you guys, now this is the part where I get super excited to talk about, because I honestly cannot get enough about how effective this product is. So usually when I remove my makeup, my skin gets very sensitive to a point that when I remove, I do see like red marks, or the skin looks a little bit inflamed. That has always been the thing with me because I have very dry skin, a little bit sensitive at this corner, so sometimes even going in with a cotton pad, it tends to be a little too rough. But when I applied on this product every single night, I did it without fail. For the first time, I think last week, when I removed my makeup, my skin felt so normal and so nice, and I didn't see any form of redness, which is amazing. And also, since we've been wearing our mask on the daily, you know, we tend to get a little bit of like breakouts or pimples here and there. Apply this one on, you guys, and I promise you, I think because of the cooling factor, your pimple or any form of like zits that do pop up, it will go away. Like, this one has been such a lifesaver for me, especially during this pandemic, especially when I remove my makeup actually, or anything that I do to my face that gets a little bit abrasive, even with scrubs. Nowadays, I feel like I don't have to be too scared when I apply on scrubs on my face, because I do tend to exfoliate every like once or twice a week, and usually that leaves a little bit of redness on my face. But ever since I started applying this on every night, my skin has become so much better. The texture and everything seemed a little bit more calm, and for me that is the biggest difference, and I'm honestly so happy with this product. Now if you do see this product in stores, I do highly recommend you guys go and pick it up, because this has been one of my holy grails for the past month, and honestly I just made a repurchase of another bottle because it's been so effective for me. So if you guys struggle with really sensitive or inflamed skin, this is something that you guys might want to try. Now, of course, all the details on this product will be listed down below in the description box, so you guys can check it out there for reference. But in the meantime, that is basically it for this week's video, you guys, and I hope you all really enjoyed it. Plus, of course, if you have any questions at all, please do leave me a comment in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to answer any queries that you might have. And of course, if you did like this video and found it helpful, please do leave a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. So that basically sums this video up, you guys, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye!